Alrighty, guys, we're playing Rammus in Arena. Looks like there's a good bit of auto attackers we can counter pick. I kind of want to do slow cooker and like just microwave people. We just like sit on them with Thornmail, Sunfire Cape, and slow cooker. Alright, let's try that. That'll give us a ton of damage. Let's do Guardian's Horn. We have Mad Scientist Jace. We're against Doomsayer Ashe. He can have a lot of AD late game. Ultimate Roulette Zed. He gets random ults. He has bundle ults. I don't really like taking that one. Okay, her W's down. I'm going in. Ah, give me that Ashe. Ooh, well played. I just played for plant on here. Nice, I got one of them. I think she saw a flash. Does she? Oh, I forgot to turn my W on. I swear I thought I pressed it. One Ashe, auto me. Ashe is dead, he's Lucian ulting. Stunted. Nice. Outplayed. I pressed E. Ooh, this is so perfect. I can get Shodomon Stone Darksteel Talons very easily. And if I get Shodomon Stone, I think that increases my armor by a percentage. And I get one like Jack Show. I love doing that on Rammus. And then Darksteel Talons is true damage based off how much armor you have. Oh, come on. No, not this stat anvils. Of course. Never lucky. Never lucky, never lucky. Alrighty, not that much hard CC in this lobby. There's like one team that would be annoying. So I'm gonna go plated steel caps here. Yeah, at least there's that. I like going plated over Mercs on Rammus. Stacking armor's one. Because when we buy Thornmail, our Thornmail damage scales with armor. Holy, my Soul Cooker did 714 on round 1. Kind of OP. We're against Eureka Caston. He gets 17 ability haste. Terrible until late game. And then Jugal and Kha'Zix, that's very busted. Especially if you're isolated and he crits. I did on Kha'Zix before, and like Q I think did like 2000 damage. And like Q is like a 1 second cooldown. I'm just gonna stun this Kha'Zix as long as I can. That is my purpose. Let's also taunt this guy. Keep my W on. I want to press Q so bad, but I know it like cancels. Bonk. Nice snipe. Very cool. There's a Teemo Shaco. Nah, they really lucked those champs in to be as annoying and evil as possible. Is that reportable? What do you guys think? Can I report them? Is it justifiable? He has Jeweled Gauntlet. It only works on his Q though, doesn't it? Doesn't he need vulnerability to make his E dot and Shroom dot to crit? So I think Jeweled Gauntlet's actually that good. His Q will be bursty, I guess. Oh, we have to roll. These all are kind of bad. So I want to do AP Rammus, which I don't. I want to stack HP. I mean, Demonic is kind of has 700 HP. Oh, yes! I got Shadowbone Stone. God bless. Alright, sometimes lucky. Sometimes lucky. Usually very, very unlucky when looking for prismatic items. Yo, can we do Twin Knives? Oh, he went Diamond History. Man, dude. That'd have been awesome. Dude, Twin Mass? Like, if we both got it, it would just be so tanky. Very hard to get, though. Very, very hard to get double Twin Mask, especially without Reforge. But I probably would have just, like, saved my money. Like a psycho. Where are you going, boy? Oh, crap. I got none of those. No bueno. Yo, why are we melting so hard? Oh, it's back to basics hacker room. His Q does so much. True. Top dancer Zeri and fulmination. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Guess they got some good stuff to beat us. I did not feel that tanky versus them. Versus 280 jumps. Okay, what's my next item? I think should I go Heartsteel because yeah, I think I go Heartsteel because Slow Cooker scales with HP. Oh my god. Ew. I hate Kha'Zix. His Q is such a short cooldown, it's point and click. And it does disgusting burst. Fun fact, I made that champ in like season 3 and 4. Alright, I gotta go Heartsteel here unfortunately. Because it like scales so with Slow Cooker. Then I want to do like Sunfire Thornmail. Maybe Sunfire first, because the theme is to microwave them. Yeah, we're gonna have so much armor. Increase your armor by 20%. Shield of Molten Stone does that. And then they can like block. Our block chance can scale up to 50%. Is that what that is? In percentage block chance scaling with your armor up to a cap of 50%. So I think we have 50% chance to block autos. Once we have enough armor. We're gonna spam the Hammer Gnar and then Path Dancer Briar. And maybe I need Thornmail early. Need the anti-heal. Nice, you can Q twice. Nice, holy moly. Oh wow. Dude, that Gnar exploded me. What the heck, man? He did 3100 magic damage. What? His W is so OP. What the frick? Ooh, bread and jam. Huge. What if I should look for vulnerability? Nah, I want to keep my rolls. Bread and jam is really good. I've done vulnerability with what's it called? Dark Steel Talons before. So if you get auto attacked, you do true damage every time you get auto attacked with the vulnerability and like maybe reverberation. I think that was the combo I had. It was crazy. It was a crazy good time. I think it was vulnerability that was doing that, and then reverberation just like baited, so I did like an insane amount of like burst true damage. Rika Big Brain Zyra, Clown College, Fertilizer Pantheon. Alright, I just hit on my Jace. Oh, Clown College is on me. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna need this, I guess. Just like play Peel and let him Shock Blast? Oh shit. He's just one shot. And I can't even trust Avi on his CC for so long. Alright, I think this is cooked. Just gonna get my Heartsteel procs. Yo, I'm still alive. Any plants? I need a plant. No. Man. It's really gonna be rough. I guess I should just like engage immediately. You get Anvil. 45 armor. Okay, sweet. That's a pretty dope Anvil, not gonna lie. Sunfire Gate time? Or Thornmail? Also against Doomsayer, Zed, and Jolliers or Lucian. Pretty insane combo. And I feel like... I think Sunfire does way more damage at the moment. I think I'm gonna do Sunfire. And 86 magic damage per second. Thornmail is 48 magic damage every time they auto me. So we stand on them and we outplay them. Right, who do I want to focus? I think I just go in, like, I'm pretty hard to kill. Wait, did you feel like untargetable for a second? Oh, because my teammate died. I did like 1v2 them. Yeah, I'm shitting on them. Oh, wait, what? They both just died. Wait, when did I kill the Zed? Wait, when did I kill Zed? Oh, it was just my burns. True. They both died off my screen. Ooh, we have... Dude, both of these are really good. I think I do the Magic Pen because... I mean, I do magic damage with my Slow Cooker and Sunfire Cape and my W, and then Thornmail. Damn, all three of these are goated. Alright, I'm gonna do the Magic Pen. Because I don't want to buy a Magic Pen item on Rammus. Even though it is good for the burns. So this is plenty Magic Pen, surely. Alright, we're against the Jewel Gauntlet Teemo. Shield the Burn Shaco. They will be annoying. Notice disgusting True Shot Chauffeur Morgana on Mel maps just spamming Hex Gates. Interesting. Alright, let's go in before they set up, I guess. I'm getting melted. Want that Hearthstone stack. Man, this team is so annoying. Yeah, very cool. Oh, that's so freaking cringe without having MR. Ah, people that lock these champs in together. They're so evil. I guess Wild Rush because we have Jace Q. You know, I'm so fast. Hell yeah. Okay, I mean, the rules change is fine, but like, kind of boring. Boring that nothing at all happened. Ooh, I guess I roll for vulnerability here. Should try. Or I can have like 2 flash cooldowns. It's critical. No, I don't need crit. Get rid of Mark's Mage. I'm not gonna have an EP. Ooh, Aftershock. I need that. Okay, that's perfect. That's kind of perfect for like getting as much armor as possible. And just, like bump into them or like use my taunts. And then I get an insane amount of armor from Aftershock. This is clutch. Maybe I can break my armor record. My armor record is like 1400 for this arena cycle. Let's see if we can do that. And then we're a microwave. We're a microwaving. 8k damage on our burns. Oh, can I play? How did my taunt not go off? Come on, man. Oh my. I'm getting kited. I hate it. Oh my god, that J Shock Blast was actually doing big damage. Hell yeah. Oh, he just got bread and butter. Huge. His poke is so OP now. I thought he had Diamond Tip Spear. Did he sell it? Where did I imagine that? Okay, can we get ooh, Fortune Shard. Tenacity's really good too. But I need money to try and hit this Darksteel Talent. Black Hole Gauntlet. I'm gonna do Black Hole Gauntlet because it's really busted. It's really freaking OP. It gives a lot of gold. Hey, Peleg, thank you for the 44 months. I appreciate you, brother. Hope you've been well. Okay. So this is on theme with our microwave, our burn. We taunt them and then we just like put a black hole on them and it does 463 body damage each second. That's fun. Oh no, we're lethal. I gotta just hunt down this Kha'Zix. Just gotta hunt them down. I don't know where he went. Why did my Q cancel for using my trinket? Oh, nice. Okay, nice. That was cool. I just exploded the Kha'Zix while he was in Diz. Frick yeah, man. Like, I only get to do any damage? I put it on somebody. Guess it's not updating yet. I wanna see how much it did. man, I hate this Shaco Teemo team, man. I hate that they're winning. Like, my character cannot deal with them. Oh my god, another Fortune Shard. I had 2 Fortune Shards, guys. Oh my god, we need to win this round. We need to... Alright, I buy Thornmail here. I get Thornmail now. Holy poggers, dude. If I just get Darksteel Talons, our build is like so disgustingly perfect. I'm praying for that right now. Nice, I have 1254 armor. Nice, nice, nice. My magic resist though is terrible, man. I just want an armor stack. Why does there have to be a stupid Teemo Shaco team? So let me do my silly YouTube idea. Bro, how long are you invulnerable for? What the fuck? Let's fucking go. Let's freaking go, dude. Well played. What is this thing? What was that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're against Zyra Pantheon. We don't blink. I don't know if that's good. Should I roll for like Desecrator or keep my rolls? What do I do here? Do you stand? I don't know what to do here.
Did you miss me?
Not sure. Like, do I do don't blink? Like, I'm really slow outside of my queue, so it's like I feel like it's pointless. I feel like it's actually pointless. Yeah, I just need 2 stats. I don't know if Serve Beyond Death is that useful. I wanna save my rolls for if I can try to get Darksteel Talons. I need it bad. That'll make me do insane damage on my autos. Alright, well, I win Serve Beyond Death. I was gonna engage. Okay, I'm getting fucked. Damn. Sorry, me, Jace. I go, thank you. I exploded. Alright, we can beat this team. Perfect. I have enough gold to find Darksteel Talon. Oh, nice. I don't even need to roll. I could have rolled. Well, I couldn't have predicted that, unfortunately. And they do Sandal. Magic Pen or HP? More damage on my burn, or more HP and slightly more burn damage, but like... Sorry, I don't know here. Maybe Magic Pen. Need Magic Pen and percent magic damage to make my burns do more damage. I'm just gonna rush the Kha'Zix if I can. My god, the kite. Nice, got the Kha'Zix. We're just camping. We cannot win. There's no way in hell. I'm just getting my teammate back. If he tries to res, like, I just kill. Or can he stand right here? Honk. Outplayed. Okay, 900 true damage? I didn't get to auto that much, but that's pretty good damage. Holy, I'm getting so much money. 2 Fortune Shards, man. OP. Yes! The Teemo got knocked off! We can actually win the game! I think. I'll just buy a bunch of these and try to get more armor. Ooh, Magic Pen. I'm gonna do 2 random shards. I wanna see if I can get armor. AP shards? Whatever. I'm trying to get armor here. Trying to break my armor record. I'll go HP over AP. Nice. Alright, give me a dummy. 1,464 armor. I did break my armor record. I think I broke it by 60. We'll take it. This build is like way more OP than my last one too, I think. And I just have like so much burn damage and item damage, which is awesome. Alright, what the heck do I do here? I just let Jace poke. I just let Jace poke. Last time I engaged, I got like fucked. Oh shit. Oh, that's bad. And then once again, like, I can't get my W off, bro. I can't get my W off. I'm CC the whole fucking time. I'm fighting there. What the hell, man? Why did I take so much true damage? Okay, sorry, I guess. Couldn't activate my W. So I just freaking explode. Also, like, what? I know the pillar followed me, but what else was doing true damage? What did Pantheon have? He had tank engine? I don't know, it said he did like 6k true damage or something. Nice try. Matchups were bad to be honest. Kind of been Zarya trying to Steve it. Yeah, Zarya was annoying. Alrighty, it was fun. I think we could have won that, but like, I don't know. I should have played slower. I thought I could like get on the Pantheon and like taunt him. But then I was just CC'd by like Pantheon W and Zyra ER. So I couldn't activate my W like after I engaged. So that's unfortunate. I exploded faster than I should have. Oh well. GG's, that was Slow Cooker. Brandon Jam and Paz will serve Beyond Death. We had Dark Steel Talons, Black Hole Gauntlet, and Shoulder Molten Stone. Pretty high roll for Rammus. If you guys enjoyed, body that like button, subscribe if you do, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching. Alrighty guys, we're playing Vladimir in Arena. Let's start with Transmute a Prismatic Augment. Let's see what we get. I got Circle of Death. That's not bad. That's going to be a really good late game. I've had this before in Vlad. It's really weak early, but if we get like full build, it'll do a lot. It'll do a lot of work. We're against Bread and Jam Soraka, so she perma heals? Yikes. Celestial Body Scion. I mean, this won't matter as long as we just kill the Soraka. Passable. Thank you. Out my way, Scion. What a bugger. I'm down to like flash over here and just like take her plants. Get over here. My jump's so slow, dude. Damn. I'm getting beat up. Oh, I'm getting beat up bad. Alright, I just gotta stall. I need to get this plant. Then be Gucci. I take this. Ooh, yikes. Oh god. So I can hit these two plants here. Then this will spawn. Oh wait, this is bad. Oh wait, I am fucking trolled. I fucking hate this map. Oh my god, bro. I was hoping I could just like sit over here and get the plants. Oh nice, yeah, sustained him. Good clutch. Oh my god. The firing closed too fast on me. Oh. What the? Had to use it twice. Alrighty, if we get Katarina, we can get 5 more rerolls. 5 more rerolls is awesome. No, guys, not Zinzao. Stat involves when you lose over 5 rerolls, you have to be crazy. Why do people hate 3 rerolls so much? Okay, nice. We have 10 rerolls, so if we roll a Prismatic, dude, I want to look for Infernal Conduit, Soaring Sorcery. Those are the best on Vladimir. So we can just like perma use our W, perma heal, which would be so nutty with Circle of Death. Yeah, it only did 169 damage that round. So it's kind of bad early game. But I think it has potential late game. Alright, we're against Ringdon, Cassante, and Blood Brother Draven. No, he's OP with that. He gets so much free AD if he autos 5 times. Then like bleed. I once had Blood Brother and Vulnerability at the same time on Draven, and it was so nasty. They evaporated after like 5 autos. I mean... Damn. Gotta don't use my W like that. It's cooked. Not even do OP. My champ is stinky doo-doo. I need to do more kiting there. Less diving. Yo, this Lucian is cooking. Okay, they got the Zinzal. They're still fighting. Soraka, Sion. Yeah, they're gonna take forever to kill. Why, I've seen this Ice Frosty guy like so much today. I've been playing for like the past like 5-6 hours. Yeah, like 6-7 hours actually. I swear I've seen this Ice Frosty guy like 5 times in my game. Alright, these kind of suck except for maybe Radiant Virtue. I'll just have no damage if I take this, but I'll get like a ton of health. I don't know. I could roll like once or twice for an AP item. Hemomancer, but I guess AD. Ooh, I'll go Locket. I should do Locket. That'd be really OP if I get a lot of haste. And Slices gets 20 haste. Up to 250 extra AP, level 18, 25 move speed. If we proc it. Takes a little long to proc though. Need 30 spell charges.
A harvest moon. So
Did I just W this? Nah. Oh, I should have. Just 500 damage. Nice, you killed the graves. I'm healing up. Let's go! Actually, I got my 30 charges. Nice. Thanks, Karthus. Karthus wasn't spamming his abilities, his Q. I would be dead. Cho is such an interesting combo. And they're focusing the Cassante. Nah, this guy has Gambler's Blade too? Oh no. He's gonna be so rich, he's gonna have so many items. Gambler's Blade and his passive. Yeah, that Draven's high rolling way too hard. The game just started and he's high rolling too hard. I'm just dead on his screen. I'm so dead on his screen. Alright, so I'm thinking about Rabadon. Yeah, give me a Rabadon, just like juice my AP. Super duper juice my AP. The more damage I do, the more I heal, so Circle Death will like eventually be useful. Only does a few hundred damage per round at the moment. Rengar with bread and butter is kind of scary. Be right back on Pike. Serpent's Fang on Rengar? Who has shielding? Eh. Only shielding champ I see is Renata. Or somebody buys Locket. Why would he want Serpents here? For my Locket? Oh yeah, for my Locket, I guess. Eat him up. Hell yeah. Oh, we got stun. It's a long stun. Damn. Yeah, pull me closer so I can kill you. Appreciate that. Shouldn't have eaten over, I'm gonna just get this one. He's delaying the inevitable for fun. Nice. Still find Zinzal versus Soraka. Soraka gets another Q or two, she can like res. Whoa. Whoa. Force of Entropy Scion Q. Crazy. So crazy. Flashy, Marks Mage, Giant another day. Not for Flashy. Either of these good. I don't want Marks Mage, I don't. My autos are so slow. I can make money from first strike. But I really want a Prismatic Augment, so like, do I keep my rolls here? It's like Flashy or first strike or what I'm feeling here. Give me money. Maybe we can make some decent money. Hopefully. Fireman Reaper still Zinzao. He shreds me. I gotta focus him. Ooh, I do damage. I made 200 gold. My Dark Harvest did 646. Wait, this augment's not bad. This augment is not bad. And we can justify not taking 3 flashes. Feels good. What is even happening in this fight? Oh, Sand killed the Draven. Meanwhile, show is 1v2ing. Circle of Death has only done 1700. 5 fights. So we need more damage. More damage. There's the Rift Maker. Nah, it's not gonna give much AP yet. Oh, there's Curse. Void Stuff. Be Void Stuff. If they have like over 60, 70, or like 80 MR, it's kind of worth to get Void, I think. I'll just do it. Give me big damage. More damage, more heals. Alright, I gotta hit them first. I gotta strike first.
Wonderful.
Dude, my circle that just randomly like procced my first strike. Cause I was like regenning all full HP. That's goofy. No, don't hit me. Oh, this hurts. Oh my god, that hurts bad. Dude, holy crap. Here. Where'd you get that shield from? Oh, I made 1 gold from first strike. My circle of death is trolling my first strike, man. What the hell? That's so dumb. Because I'm just regenning HP. It'll do like 1 damage to the enemy. So I made 1 gold for my first strike. Yeah, I mean, my circle that did 1541, so the damage stacking is OP. Fortune Shard or heal and shield power. I'm gonna do money. More money, more money. I can buy another item too. What should I get? Cosmic Drive, Riftmaker, the Undries. Maybe Cosmic Drive. So we have a lot of extra haste. Sighting's very good on Vlad. They usually like rush it first or second item.
A harvest moon.
Nice. How much money did I make? Not much. 100. I am always able to strike first though, because my circle of death will just randomly hit them. It's interesting, it'll like proc your health regen even while you're full HP. So it like works with like Warmogs. Fun fact. So Warmogs would be fun if I find that. Scion just kicked him. That's his crit animation is a kick. So if you're 100% crit Scion, I think you just like non-stop like kick. Does he kick again? Ooh, what the? Those mechanics, bro. Science Joker outliving everybody. Already talent. Come on, each team deals increased damage against gold wins lane. More money, more money. More money to get with my fortune shard in first strike. Alright, what do we get? Please, this one. Show me more money. No! Hex gates. Why don't people want more money? Dude, I keep getting gold augments. Can I get a freaking prismatic? It's been like 3 or 4 games since I've seen a prismatic. What do I do here? Vulnerability is useless. So I went like the Andrews and crit, which is too much. Let's just roll. Is the critical healing, maybe? Critical healing plus Rite of Ruin equals big heals. That's good for my Circle of Death. Alright. So my next item is definitely Rite of Ruin. Maybe my Circle of Death will go crazy. Alright, we just gotta get that Soraka. I can't move. What is this shit? Why am I just dying to what? Holy crap. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Silence? Holy, my damage is pretty huge though. My damage is huge. Holy, my damage is huge. Looking for strike 20? Fuck yeah. Circle of Death did 1,700. Ooh, 2,340. Nice. The critical healing is OP. Wait till we crit even more though. With Rite of Ruin. How much crit do we get from this? An extra 20% after using a bunch of spells? Nice. And I think I just buy Statinville here. And with okay, we're against the dude. This guy's gold augments are so good. Yes, he died. I win these, yeah? Fuck yeah. I'm OP! Circle of Death, 3,364 damage. And then critical healing, bonus healing, 3,100, bonus shielding, 1,300. Nice. My build is a little cracked. I can beat a Blood Brother Draven, but I mean, I feel like his build sucks. Like, he's very low damage. Why did he buy Runans? What does he have Runans? For Gambler's Blade? Maybe for Gambler's Blade. Yeah, my last item options are Rift Maker. All three of these are busted. What do I do? What do I do? All three of these are goated. More damage. A little bit more health and AP. A little bit more healing. I'll do Magic Pen because I mean this also equates to more damage and more healing. Technically. Sure, why not? And my last item options. Shadow Flame, Gunblade, Riftmaker, Leandries, Spirit Visage. That was a quick one. I get some crit anvils. That'd be dope. Whoa! Draven's falling off. He's 5 HP. Oh my god, these are good. Bread and butter and it's critical. What do I do? I can get crit chance from anvils. Like, how to do bread and butter so my Q cooldown is just like disgustingly short. I'm doing this. This is way better. This is way better. Oh, I'm 11 gold short from buying a freaking Spirit Visage, man. I'm gonna do Spirit Visage and then get, like, try and buy crit anvils. I can just buy anvils now, actually. So next time we get gold, we can afford Spirit Visage. Okay, nice. Holy shit, he's tanky. Holy moly. Oh. Holy, my damage is so good. Uh-oh. I got berserked, fuck. I couldn't cast anything. His Black Hole Gauntlet 2300 and then he ulted me for 650 true damage. Ooh, I'm resable, fuck yeah. Well played. Boy speedy, fuck yeah. No way, he's trolling so hard here. Oh, never mind. Oh. I thought that guy would like melt in the fire. Thought he was trolling. Oh well. Okay, 4k money, give me Spirit Visage. More heals. Oh, I need some crits. Give me some crits. Show me crit chance. Damn. Dude, my gold income feels great this game. 1000 from first strike, and then I got that fortune shard earlier. And here's my stats and scroll at 11k total damage. Bonus healing critical healing 6500. Bonus shielding 3700.
Your heads are on the block.
16k HP Cho'Gath. His son. Oh. Oh. Oh, the Hellfire Hatchet was melting the Cho there. Oh, that's so disgusting. That black hole. Black hole gauntlet is so broken. It's so much damage. Oh, this Lucian is so dunzo. This is the slowest looking Hexade ever. Oh my god, he's not rezzing. He trolled. He trolled a little bit. And she Hellfire Hatched the wrong guy just now. So they're out. Alright, it's gonna be an epic finals battle. Alrighty, we do anvils. They do magic pen here? Is that even useful? Like, not really. Like, unbreakable. How much MR y'all got? Okay, actually the magic pen's good. Never mind. Finally, I see some crit chance. I see like one more crit shard and then I'll have like 100% after stacking Rite of Ruin. Alright, we gotta kill this freaking Renata. Because I used W, Wukong didn't get to auto me and was forced to auto the Renata. Fuck, where do I go? I'm too slow, bro. I have no boots. This guy hurts. His Sunfire hurts so bad. I need a Thorn Mail, so he just has to auto me. And I get anti-healed. I need a Leandries versus this guy, but I don't know what to replace. Oh, Cosmic Drive. I should replace Cosmic Drive. Oh shit. I wouldn't be in that. Black Hole Gauntlet too broken. Wonder if anything changes if I get Leandries here. I think this is lost. We got one more try. Let's swap out Cosmic Drive for Leandries and we'll see what happens. Leandries. Let's do some juices. Or magic pen, sure. Juice of haste to get our haste back. This is as strong as we get. Go Leandries. Yeah, the Leandries burn is like doing a lot. I can't stand in this. Or I not. Fuck! Goddamn Blasco. I don't know if my hit or not there. Yo, how is this still on the fucking ground? I can't get over there. I'll lose like half my health walking through that. Oh, you have ult still? Oh! My heal was so fat. I'm fucking online. I'm online. Here, motherfucker. I have 1000 AP, why? Oh, plus 663. Nice! Oh, my locket pop, that's why I had so much AP. True! Circle death 5231. I saw that like damage proc with my Q and that guy exploded. 11k and 10k bonus healing and shielding. Sweet. Alright, triple juice plus a couple anvils. How do you use this? Yeah. Oh yeah, crit. Fuck, I should take the crit. Oh well, it's all good. Let's get two randoms. Might Shard and Ability Power Shard. That is good. In this last fight, I just buy a stupid Kappa juice. Your strike has made me 2,753 gold plus whatever Fortune Shard has given me ever since I got it. Alright, here we go. The moment of truth. Can we win? We beat the 20 kill Cho'Gath with vulnerability. We'll be right back. Still your heart quest Perseverance. Your stuff is so OP. The others did 6k damage last fight. That's pretty good. Uh-oh. I can't cast shit! I got too close. I got silenced. I couldn't do anything. Fucking hell, bro. I couldn't walk up and like, press my buttons. My champ gets outranged by all their bullshit. Saj. Fuck, man. I wanted to heal and stuff. Yeah, they got some BS, whatever. GG's, was fun. This is a fun Circle of Death Vlad game. If y'all enjoyed, body the like button, subscribe if new, leave comment down below for the algo. Thanks for watching.